Lord God, it just a bubble and in a seek no trouble. Look for Rasta pot, on the fire just a bubble. Look there.
Just by the looks of these people, we can tell there's no flavor.
See the people?
I mean, for the African.
$1,000 can't feed 5 somebody, you know. See there?
Visual presentation.
Real.
Me I give him a 7 car, you don't know.
Nah, I go on him, man. I give him a 10 out of 10 and feel low budget, mate. Yeah, man.
Active.
Yeah, man, this better than most with them.
Want to tell you I go camping.
Camp?
Yeah.
No, watch out.
So me see you have a hiking bag.
Camping.
What is money spending?
What is? 1,000, lad,
Yeah, 2,500, yes.
What have
Yeah, give me one and give us that
You
one.
know this way, man. We are cook today.
Yeah.
With 1,000, we now go over a budget.
Yeah.
We are going to see if Rasta can use 1,000 and give you a high-class meal.
High
Vegetable
class.
Juice,
With
rice,
vegetable and
chicken.
chicken.
Yeah, with $1,000.
That can't work. That can't. No way in history.
I mean it can't work.
You hear what I say?
Vegetable,
Vegetable,
juice,
and give you a high
food.
class. Listen, you want no. High class meal that you have to uptown. We are going up
and a natural juice we want to.
A year again, natural juice will cost $450. Well, I know. Listen now. 2 juice.
Rasta.
A $900 that.
No, you can buy one juice.
I know if you buy it.
You know if you even buy it.
You have
Where
lime
lime
over
there?
there.
Where?
Lime tree.
Or lemon.
All them have to buy a quarter
can't
pound.
leave
All
the
them have
body
quarter
tree.
pound
A sugar, nothing more. I will get to ice cube.
Alright, just
Pound
go
of
around.
rice,
We'll
you
go
want?
and check it from
Pound
now.
of chicken.
Before we go in the shop.
1 curry.
Wait no man, I'm turning on the
1 little
calculator.
aisle.
Turn on the calculator. Let's see what.
One little aisle,
Yeah.
so that can help Rasta.
Wait no man, let's see what.
No, hold on.
Yeah.
450.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pound of rice.
120.
1 little small aisle.
170.
And 1 eye seasoning. And 2 Maggi seasoning.
2 Maggi?
1 all purpose. and
Yeah.
one-
Alright. Alright.
Money done, man.
160. How much I think each 9 bills, yes, sir.
Alright.
What?
Still have
You see that?
$100
Still
left.
have
$100, you know.
$100 left.
That a fee natural juice.
That a fee natural. All Kool-Aid can buy.
How much you call it?
So, what watching on film, I know you're no. How are you? Curry?
Yeah.
I know you're no curry.
Yo,
Yeah,
yeah.
curry the pan there. You $100
You're not at the
can
curry?
make
Eh,
$100 can make in the curry.
Oh, so I eat that.
Oh, eat that.
a good thing.
So I gravy, I juice.
Oh, him have the, what you call it? Him have the scallion farm over there.
Yeah,
What you want to sell? We have that all.
No, he can't reap with scallion. I weigh him, have him have to cook it with, brother.
And we have to cook it with
With where we buy.
Yes, sir,
And where we buy it, have to cook with.
$1,000.
Nothing more, nothing more now going night. Just what we buy,
Yes, sir, you want the curry?
Everything what me tell you.
Alright.
I just what we buy for use tonight, man.
Say partner buy it up.
No.
Look.
This Rasta house will come down to pound of chicken,
Right.
pound of rice,
1 aisle.
small aisle,
Right.
2
Seasoning.
of them, yeah.
Alright.
A curry,
And a curry.
and we squeeze in 1 pepper.
No salt,
No salt.
no butter.
Thing I see with a work.
Yeah, it's have to work,
What
right?
I say?
It I'm feeling it all nice,
Yeah.
so.
Me have salt. Me have salt.
Better in the buy the ground season, them
No, you
allow the
don't buy-
powder
you don't
one.
buy it, Fitz.
Ground season not
You
there.
see, when my, yeah, hold on now. Alright.
Wait till
Hold on, that me I tell them
No.
now. Say, this is an ongoing series now. So
Yeah.
you see when time I do
Your
my
time.
one, you go see what me I buy with my $1,000.
You see where you
Nobody worry about
it.
it.
Produce with your $1,000.
Yes.
All right.
I'm a heart a race at
Remember, you know,
wanna-
you can't add, listen me, remember, say you can't add nothing more
You can't
than
add
this
more than what you
with
told
the
us.
You know what you
yourself.
say? I see what you carry.
So you see, if you want flavor in all the rice, you better save some of the Maggi all purpose.
Yeah, you know what you say.
It's a good night.
You know what you start over there already, because we not even $1,000 to buy no salt.
And listen, me now, you can't pick nothing off on a tree,
not
no.
pick nothing
Like
off.
no rosemary or no scallion out of the garden, you know. And that's where you buy it.
What you say?
Rasta.
Alright. Man say nah, tell you when my
So we have
big-
make sure
you say you-
emphasize
you
on the
you-
conditions.
Yeah, emphasize on the conditions. See the back of the camera. You start sweat up. You wait till your time come.
Hey,
Time come.
hey.
Would buy no chicken in my town.
When I buy?
They buy something cheaper.
We not buy no cheaper.
If me even buy chicken, you see, I must half pound.
No.
All in one me I do, man. Season rice, man. Don't worry on yourself. I give you some ideas, you know, but
When me done with this today,
if me buy
one
chicken,
pot, everything I cook in now.
yeah,
One pot.
alright.
I can come, Sean.
I go and get a coconut when I go over.
No,
Get which coconut? You mad?
Alright, so you want it? I go and fry up my thing
Rasta.
and curry it down and
You
all
see
the
them,
rice
huh?
and curry.
Them here
here.
alone.
I'll watch you now. Match it up.
Let me say Rasta.
2, 3,
So
4,
see here,
5, 6
one Maggi
ingredients.
chicken, one all-purpose,
One pepper.
One hyper.
one curry,
See it?
One
Man, I'll
aisle,
get all the flavor.
one rice,
Right, see them
and
there?
the chicken.
Yes,
All
man.
of that are cooking in one pot.
I'm
No,
out.
2
I come
pot.
here, cook up on location now.
I'm
just
out.
have-
Look, your mouth, you are sweat there and the camera, but I'm in mouth, you want to see when they don't even lift your finger.
No, me say I'm out. I'm out.
You cannot out, you have to stay in. That this is the Martin TV channel we cooking on. Right now, I told them I'm spending this morning, see? Buy a pound of chicken. See there? So 2 pieces of breast and 1 leg. Where they don't care one fall come over here.
You go back. You go back
Yeah,
to
man.
when you were talking about this. You go back, come on, Paul.
Come on, fall me saying tough like a rock. But this
No.
one I know
Oh,
today.
that's the thing. Come on for the flavor.
Nice,
Nice, that name.
nice and them, because guess what now? A stronger foul.
But you just tough
You know,
boy.
I will tell you.
Yeah. Tough like a rock.
Hard like life.
Boy,
Yeah, what time is this stuff?
no, catch it in the pot.
Alright.
I'll catch it that meantime. So you see
Yeah.
people, I slice up this.
Cold pot there already. Rasta say I give you one look all in one style, you
All
know.
in one style till them I show them say,
Curry gumption.
curry, pot of rice and chicken can cook it in a one style, people.
They never know all dumpling can go in there too.
Everything, banana, yam, everything can
Everything.
in a one
Sweet
pot.
potato, everybody.
Everything, one pot.
You know, say one of that we have to go give them one idea them too.
One pot and show them everything.
Different from the Toastler series, we have to go give them one of them there, yeah.
Everything can go in a pot. You cook your meat first, take it out, put in the flour and then thing that make everything go and cook down.
Take it out. No man, you say it's wrong now. You don't have to take it out, man. Rasta.
Make
Me
everybody
tell
go
you.
and cook down.
Everything.
Right down to the right.
You just have
And
to,
then
you
cook
know,
that.
say, alright, you give the meat, one look 10 minutes in advance first.
Make him go and cook.
Yeah, then you know, say, flour next.
Yeah.
The softer things them next to last. You see me? 'Cause you
Yam.
don't know, say,
Banana.
Yam,
anything
sweet
you-
potato,
anything you
rare.
put in it,
Mm.
can deal with it. And you grate and coconut and juice
ah,
some.
no, we have put in the coconut from
Yeah,
the
make him
get
go
go
and
to
cook
make him
first.
cook out and, you know? Yeah.
And drop out some red peas in there and make him cook with it too.
You know,
And
yeah,
then
say.
everything cooking nice. And that's how what.
If you even want to use peas, you can use some beans, some different type of bean, pre-cooked bean.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the one that we cook already.
Yeah.
Was stupid.
No, man, I want different type of licking. Well,
No,
put
for
The
what?
different. What? Well, we, yo.
different type of cooking. Cooking, me say.
Nah, people, you know, just talk about the video 10 seconds and listen what Rasta
What
said.
me say?
10 seconds and less. Me not repeat that.
Cooking.
No, before you're cooking.
If you ask quickly, I don't
Rasta said that's a different type of licking.
Yeah, no.
I can't remember that.
Rasta. That Toastler. Why you buy chicken for your Toastler series?
None of that
Why you
one.
never follow fit? Cause I remember I saw him a deal chicken thing.
John, people forgive Rasta.
Forgive me for that
Forgive him, please.
Beep him out.
one. Forgive me for
I
that one.
bleep him out, but forgive him. You don't know what he's doing now, but forgive him.
For that one, there. Please and thank you. I don't know, say,
But Rasta, you see, if you buy Toastler series,
Yes, I.
I bring people in a curry with me and I buy my thing. A coronation man.
You're mad.
You mad,
I
Rasta?
bring them.
Yeah, you can't go with that. Cause uptown you make we do everything. So see,
I know me, I you. This
no, you say yes, it have to work uptown. So everything we I do, it have to work
Fiddly.
uptown.
You didn't tell him where him for buy anything.
No, you never tell him that.
But Squidly, right here now.
But I hope not use the Toastler for
All
spend
right,
still.
me glad.
We have to get everything from the same budget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up in town. No downtown.
No.
But you got
That
curry.
can't
You
work.
spend that curry. You want for your one go cheap and for it. Oh,
I stretch my tongue.
You want more for in Toastler, Rasta?
And I stretch my one.
Yo.
But me I show the people them say right here now. Out of Jamaica,
Yeah,
things is very rough.
yeah.
Cause look, $1,000 can't feed 5 somebody, you know.
Cause Rasta.
Much less 2
But
somebody, you know.
Rasta, you see, if when you're done prepare a meal,
Yeah.
if my belly not full, you feel.
Me can't feel.
I
No.
said the toes have
Can't
give
feel.
me a full stomach.
Well, on.
On full
My
course
toes
meal.
are supposed to full your stomach. You come with the stomach empty. So you know if you come with it empty,
You should have top it up.
you should have tapped it up before you come.
Can you know what's that $1,000 alone we have to spend?
Can you only see a week before you come? So you want to cook on them have the $1,000 you have loan now.
And then say you feel.
And then say me feel. Oh, me feel. And $1,000. Eh? People look at it, you know. Pound of chicken, you know.
Yeah.
Pound of rice we are dealing with in Martel
Yes, and
TV
not even
channel.
seasoning.
Not even seasoning. One ingredient we are using is the butter.
No, butter.
No, butter is not here today. The coconut.
Me tell you, say you love the butter, you know.
Yeah,
I only
love
think
butter.
a joke.
My butter is my ingredient. See the people. This is my ingredient today.
One
This-
iPad.
One iPad.
Why you never buy the butter instead of oil?
No, no, I no butter for
Yes, sir, if I
If you need buy the butter instead of the oil, you could have get more ingredients, because you
No.
could have get a piece of scallion with it now.
Butter.
Because butter not cheaper than the buckle oil, man. And you could have get piece of...
Yeah, you have a point there.
Yeah.
You have a point there.
I didn't know.
You could have end up get one, you know. But I don't know.
You have a point.
My pint. Which part pint there?
You're not going to know.
Which part pint there? How about your pint? Yo, no, we have to say no. Yo, you man can't tell what your pint. What kind of pint you have there to talk about?
Hey, brother, God not give you all away a pint.
Me no know what you have there.
That's a sample, you know.
Yes, I eat this.
Yeah, me not put no whole part season
Me
pan.
no know
It's
salt.
salt.
So you know, if you put in all of the season, Rasta.
You can catch on and put pan him too, man.
Oh gosh, and this we are cook next, you know. And him we are cook next.
You hear him, son?
Which one?
Then so when them set, they have that sound there, you know.
Yeah.
So
Rasta, we can cook that one next.
No time at all.
Brother, so how we bring food one for your
I
cook
eat
ready and you eat him?
But me no know no kill him from.
Over yard we bring him from.
Where was
Over
yard?
Martel yard. He know exactly where it.
How different man raise a fall.
It no matter.
Who is it?
But this one, no can't do nothing. Yeah, I'm my mother for you.
What name?
No fall?
I think I name him, you know.
No.
I can't even name the dog.
Yeah.
Drop out.
We can't name fall. I fall. Let's just fall. Look on it, people.
Nothing really there, so for look and see that.
Me no say nothing there, so if you look on can pound. A 1 pound and me a show no say see there.
It have to
It
work.
have to work.
I mean.
I can't tell about people and say nothing they have to look on. All of the back I came and just keep your teeth.
Wait till the fin time.
Wait till the time coming up.
What we done tell you when me a come with for my time.
What you say you come with?
Brother, me tell you when me a give up, but you have 3 style of preparation you can get. You can get it
I don't want
hard
none of
boil or soft boil,
I don't want none of the hard
scramble,
boil, and I don't know
or
none of the
fry.
scramble.
What that
And I
on?
don't-
Porch.
Porch. 4 style of
And I
preparations.
don't want none of your poor style. None of them. You can't keep them to yourself.
Yeah.
Yo, throw away water. Like,
Hear that?
like the fire.
Hear him?
Yeah.
Alright, you know what me I give you, no? Fry rice and egg.
Not at all.
Still up on his egg.
Yo, you just say this egg thing, you just go and join Chris.
Cause me hear man tell you a while ago say the food not enough. So you
Which
see when
food
me
not
go
enough?
to Boobs and get the 2 pound of rice and 6 egg.
Which part?
And I can't say that not enough.
Y'all you know, mad, you know?
Yeah.
Just mad, yo. Something liquor this morning. Me don't know if I did liquor booze when you get a while ago before we start work.
Something wrong.
Or something wrong. You can't tell about egg. EGG. Oh, damn skirt boy, I'm squidly. Me can't be saying I do that.
That's how it could be.
I egg this we are going to eat in a whole farm still.
One plastic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I egg that we are going to have in a whole farm still, man.
Chicken is an egg.
Yeah.
Chicken is an egg.
In an adult farm.
Like a Jamal, you're going on.
Watch it.
In an adult farm.
Right out your brother do already.
In an adult farm.
What? Hear me now. Because you don't set the egg, you cannot have the chicken.
Exactly. So now
So
that's
how
what me I tell you.
Say he need chicken.
You know,
You see how-
you know where I cut.
You eat them.
Just think more you just
You
say.
can't tell man about the eat chicken. And because the chicken now, the egg don't go set with a fall, he hatch. Or if you come.
But vice versa too. Without the egg, the chicken can't come to set more egg. Think about it.
The one where they go buy.
Why, me don't know, you know. Something wrong still.
Matching at them. And the one where say I make a crock a while ago, you know. See them?
Oh,
A black one, I'm mashing them, put them in a
that we
with
want
some
to cook
big
for the
light.
next vlog still.
Eh?
That one we want to cook for the next vlog.
Which one you want to cook for this next one?
Like, cause the one where we do where they too tough, so we are try again.
Tougher?
We are try again, man.
Try again. No, him can't
And
do
put
no
the
try.
rusty nail in
Him nah
it.
go up on no trial.
And put the rusty nail in
That
it.
was one.
You not see it, eh? I put the rusty nail in it.
A young papaya leaf.
But me tell you about the rusty nail, and here where he Martin Crystal tell me say,
Martel.
you say you're not eat none of that. Cause rusty nail I go eat there.
It's a pies here.
It's a pies here. I'm one of how nail for pies here.
Me not trust that. Rusty
Me
nail
not test that.
Me not
But
test
me
that.
not put none in there.
I let that, you know.
Yeah. Oh, and then I so like
That can't work.
can't work with you.
The chicken did alright as I saw it to go.
Your teeth have to just strong.
If people mark me say, oh, let's see me I stretch it and it can't move like a elastic.
Rubber.
Yeah, you did not tell you put on your phone.
You have put out the flat when they bust it. And I want to go yesterday down a grave digger that when night a 9 night and go up on our phone and say, look here, watch you.
Yeah.
I want to make this scam, but I'm saying, they say, how old tough. He said, I'm not biting the can't
But
try.
Rasta, you see you're fiddly. When you get the tougher part, you know, cause leg and tie, when you take, you know, they say you walk pan.
Yeah, them piece of muscle there. Them piece of muscle, them piece of muscle they tight.
Yeah, man, when buy you ball out, you know, leg and tie.
Leg and time want.
You see it look good in the pan, leg and tie.
They a trick way.
Do you check yourself?
Yourself, man. You see you want leg and tie.
I can see if Rasta will learn how to light fire now, people. Oh, and a sponge am I using? You have it, man.
Same of it.
You must say, yeah, push up the camera in my face like it me look like a cow here. Let me see a hand. You're that dangerous boy, you see.
Yeah, this look good. Have to try beat the rain, don't you?
Yeah.
Most time I come over here, be a rain, you know?
A blessings, man.
Show still.
Nothing wrong with that. Just want to give you a look at work window. Look at work window for execute with 9 to 5.
2 or 5 for this meal.
No, no feeling in this, man. Anyhow, it come out, we know, so I just saw it, dig up.
No, man, fiddly. You just buy the meal, it's the 1,000, you know, can work properly.
Get everything you need.
We not use no corn meal, so no I can
No corn
I
meal.
got about buy the meal.
Which meal?
Rasta, for my one, you know. We're not going to get vegetable, we're not going to get a little everything. I get a little carbs.
What you say,
a
Rasta?
little protein.
What I say?
It's all like a callaloo implant for cooking, Rasta.
No.
Rasta telling say that can't work around
Can't
here.
work, but we not do that.
No green.
No.
No green. And no Rasta can't tell me say me no feed me. Anyway, me go and end that meat them a feed from we are dealing with. What?
No greens.
No green. No veggie chung.
Must be green chicken.
With
Curry.
Any chicken green, it must be yellow with curry.
I closest think that's
I
a
closest
green.
that
You
to
know
the
you have a
green.
curry them you look.
Yeah, right.
When you done you look green. Yeah.
And that one they attack about.
I only think that way we are the greens.
But and the beef can curry too.
Yeah.
Yeah, then 2 meat there. And the fish can curry. The swim away after you catch him. Yo, blouse and skirt. Me not tell no lie still, you know. When night we come in and where we go with the country we go and come back.
Yeah.
And Cherry said, I'm going to wash. 9 night. Me tell she out there wash it. She said, Tamanic in her house. She said, look on the stove. I said, the way you put on the stove, she said, no, you don't put on here. I'm going to store big fish in her pudding pot. Just, I'm a potato and then thing they put on pan. Just need up a little amount of flour, put on the pot immediately.
How was that you eat when you food the Rasta?
At 9 o'clock.
All I was there for just drink a tea and
Yeah,
eat 2
man,
crackers.
tea can't crackers can't hold me then, tell you. I said, fast food, man.
So where Rasta say man do 9
Bam,
o'clock?
bam, to kill him up quick and fast.
I say when you eat them hours at night,
And so
don't
we
eat
season up that
Rasta.
and done.
Rasta.
And fry man Cherry say, where that I go and say in the kitchen?
Rasta.
I say, then 2 fish them
I
here.
say,
Rasta.
wow.
Listen.
Wow.
So when you eat them hours at night, the dopey eat it.
No, Dopey can't eat with me.
Can't follow me. Because me I deal with pepper.
Alright, let me ask you
And
something.
Get rid of him.
Get
Why
to
you
that.
feel when you eat them hours at night, right?
Mm.
You wake up so hungry next
I lie I
morning.
tell. Me no wake up no time I'm morning hungry.
Feel when you eat them hours at night.
I mean, if you eat food too late to backside, when I wake up now, man, no care how early or late, I wake up, man, I'm starving. Stomach feel empty, but here, another Dopey eat today. Let me tell you what. No. Let me explain what happened. Rasta, you see when you eat that late,
Yeah.
and then you know, say,
time when you
hold on,
need
no.
to eat.
No, but listen, me now.
now.
Yeah, but listen, me now. Me I tell you
tell
what
the people
happen
that
is,
you mean.
what happen is make you feel hungry. You go sleep right after.
After you eat.
Your body process out the food faster.
You saying though?
Eh? As me eat, don't have to my bed, me go and have eat.
Then that me I tell you.
No, I will make up now, man. Me not have a problem like you. Boy, you're hungry. Something wrong with the unit system, man. That me tell you, you have to go boil bush to build it up.
Yeah.
Because inside I want build up now the unit system.
Huh?
You
You
can't
feel like
eat in
that's
them,
a
the
rain
old-
drop that, you know?
They make it drop one.
Why do you hear them out by the front?
Yeah.
Some people that go to church and like them don't want a little offering.
Yeah.
Here's someone that say they nah give no offering to a pastor take the money and push in their pocket. You believe that?
No. I believe that. Tithes with you.
Yeah.
Build up your church, the sanctuary.
Really church is that
How
build
much,
up, you
how
know.
much, how much money them say when you work every two fiddly?
No, you know, I'm not sure about it, how the tithes thing go.
They say 210 and score.
210 and score.
I don't know what they call it.
Tithes and offering
But you
different, you
wanna-
know?
Yeah,
Tithes with you.
yeah.
Remember I say, you know, the money where you to a church, you know, just help you look boy church, you know.
No.
So people, enough people check say the money where pastor get, you know, off himself, you know.
No,
And off
sir.
himself, you know. Yeah,
I think even
enough
help
poor
all the
people.
same, even help the same members in the
what
church
you
when
mean?
not as fortunate, you see me?
Yeah, the
And not
whole of
necessarily
them
for
were
just
in
the
the
church.
because more time, some of them don't have the financial to get.
And I lie.
When you go to the pastor.
Some bun here, some man that heard said about no church. Enough to do it.
Them
No,
not,
but-
yeah, because they not understanding how the thing works, you see me?
Everybody have their own religion.
Watch out now,
still,
no.
Yeah.
Jamaica Christianity, though.
Yeah.
Other
Church.
places, if you go and them
Well, I know.
yeah, respect for them.
Listen me now.
True.
Listen me now. The building is not no church, you know. How you as we were going to and we are the church, you know. The building is just a temple.
Yeah.
We go worship. And we are the church.
Yeah.
Because if we don't gather if we go there, the church it cannot farm.
Just a building.
Just a building alone standing there. So what? There's a no. Nobody know in there. Who
The
in
church
there?
are church still, you know the congregation.
Yeah. And we are the church to make it go on.
And they say the man they lose our respect for church because
Yeah.
all in a church, I'm going to do
I
them
kill
a rob,
I
murder, do everything.
And I go kill pastor in a church. Where pastor deal? That's how going to go to hurt him.
True, man.
Eh?
Yo,
Remember I say the man in there
and that's why
I
they
give
don't
God
believe in
thanks and
Almighty,
praise to
you
the
feel
whole of we come parity, you know. All of we are dust, you know. The whole of we are go back here, you know.
True,
So
man.
we can go and stand there.
True, man.
You know we can go on. The whole of we, where you see, I reel up and go on. Say we are king and we are done and we are
Dust
this.
all of we.
We all of we are dust. We are dirt.
And
We're going
going
back
back
to
to it.
And I said, when I want to go rob the church, there I stop. By the time we sick, oh, we ball upon Lord Jesus.
Lord Jesus,
And I said,
Almighty
church, you
God,
go tear them
and
in.
I said, church, you got tear down. God, you can't help me.
Yeah.
And I see him, church, with help you. You tear it down. Take out it. It's something to play the nice music.
Yo, Rasta, I saw for me know say money. I root are evil, you know.
From
Guy, if you go to any church, we go rob
beginning.
anything.
And I money I root are evil, people I root are evil.
Me and the money because
Cause money cause it
I
still.
money cause it, man.
Yeah, because then say it over there, the church, I will pack up over there.
So I egg there, you know,
And
Rasta.
more than one in
Watch
there.
him, how you want to put it fiddly?
Under him belly, man.
And he put on a bosom.
I warm it up.
And more one in there where man see one dropping in a top drawer them from corner to corner.
So why you not build up a little thing there?
You not pity that you not go in there?
Sure them I go on.
Raise him up and see about it with it. Come on, Colin.
Alright. Yeah. And that is
Fiddly.
us. That is set back.
Them a cuss, but me I make him go back.
You do what?
I say him have one this already.
You what?
You know for scramble, me no know how no want it.
So you not scramble that. I eat it.
Tell you mean?
You take it down now.
Son of egg?
Take it for yourself.
How you want it? Scramble or
Me no
boil?
want none. You can't go out for you. Scramble egg. You alright with
It's
it.
rain a drip.
Don't watch your rain, Roger. Father is always be a blessing to all of us. Because there's no time this channel going on and the Martel TV and come over here as in the small Africa here with Smokyville, rain don't jizzle. If it don't fall hard, it jizzle for a little.
But Rasta,
Yeah.
every time rain fall, you feel it, no?
Me not feel none at all. And me can't feel.
That's the way I pull up
I
fire.
don't know where I pull off because me not feel.
A long time, yo, fiddly. A long time I feel a meal, you know, just say today.
Me not feel no meal. Because we not put no car meal. We tell you no car meal can cook that.
Feel which meal?
No meal. I want somebody. Listen me now. Me I tell you upon challenge. Straight and plain from today. Today what? Today what date?
Today about 23rd. I want you about 25th year strong.
Saturday I'm birth strong.
The 25th.
Yeah, 25th. But me now go there. Me have to go to Spanish to go and deal with
So
it.
that means one day after them, we
Yeah,
go
after
cook
that,
some
Sunday.
goat and some rice and
Sunday, but I
peas.
can't do that. You know. Me go
Sunday?
there-
No, Sunday can't go.
Sunday can't. Me I go over there and deal with something for me niece or Spain town. You know, me have to deal. Me can't let them out. Man.
Alright, yeah, you
I'm
have
a
to-
big-
a family
No,
have to-
man, I'm a
So,
big,
Cha,
I'm a
so that
biggest
means,
brother. Picnic them.
One
So,
day in
have
a
to
week,
deal
I go cook some food and all that jar then.
Yeah, man, we have to do that. But me I tell you upon the channel, people. All I know, we love the channel and spiritual all over. One lady can come and tell me say she want ton car me. And me cook that. Yeah, right now. Mrs. Pansy. Straight up the big mama. Love.
She alone can.
She alone can.
So that means you respect the rest of subscribers.
No, me not say me not respect the rest of subscribers. But the car meal thing is not my point of view. What for she said?
She want it. You know, can cook it for anyone else.
Well, if they don't want it,
Anyone,
you
yeah.
can do it then.
But when you tell we still,
Yeah, go no, yeah.
we can't ask him for
No,
it. And that's him I tell you.
But at that one Monday.
West Valley.
No, from your
Where?
Related birthday thing.
For your one. You want it for yourself.
All I would
No, sir.
So
Me don't want that.
It's a red rice and some goat.
Red rice and some goat.
And some goat.
Yeah,
It's
simple
a
as
whole
that.
heap of greens.
No, with greens.
So,
Look at.
no one greens.
The greens are.
Fill your hand with greens in your
No.
plate.
What kind of greens?
Yeah.
Axel.
The green goat?
Steam, because steam,
what?
color, man.
More than necessarily miss it.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with
Little
that.
greens.
That's a little
But more
green.
than necessarily miss it still.
No.
Rasta, you make the man eat greens alone.
I will tell you.
Greens, man, don't do that, you know. Meat.
Meat, tell him say meat are the best, man. That keep you strong.
You make me strong like Samson.
Some, alright. You see, white part I meat, no good for you.
Yeah.
Any part were red, and that I try.
That good for you, yeah.
I would even say by media. One man say, boy, the Rasta, they now sell a broom again, you know, man.
We sell with broom.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man.
No broom now work for me.
I'll.
Yeah, the man I say part hat. Watch it in the pants, so. And that boy
So
hat.
Rasta, where you get the car burning on the island?
Yeah, you see all you?
I instigate a Rasta.
In cause I say, you can take away pasta
You
work.
not talk
Well, I
about
know.
it,
Listen to me now. I tell you straight. Cause I can take away pasta work today. I preach you come to preach today. And you know, say, I use out all road. I told I can buy what we want.
And he knows say a $20 alone left out of 1,000 and still a pressure.
I still a pressure.
No.
So where you going? Where you going?
Watch your way I do. That's all you have to do on time.
As the alternative.
I'll.
I need it. That's all in one.
All in aisle.
I'm a gravy, you know, say I need something to slide.
Where's the pot name, Rasta? All in aisle?
All in one. All in what?
Aisle.
All in that. So you say, how are the alternative today?
No, you two are eating the alternative. The way thing God do after I done. You must think that dash your food and it done. Crack with no crack.
What you must say?
You see how you laugh? Remember when year day coming up? Year 1000, make sure you can smile.
Rasta, you know, wicked.
How much is shorty
I
bread?
know that. Remember
Yeah, what?
How much
Hold
is
on.
shorty bread,
We
Kip?
not join
Wait
that
no,
thing.
wait no. Remember, every day in the Rasta,
Yeah.
things get dearer and
And
dearer.
that-
So you see
alright.
next year.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
No, but how much is shorty bread?
One shot of bread now, about 3 bills.
Oh,
No, one
yo,
shot,
me
one
good
shot.
to go.
One shotty bread.
A 3 bills.
350.
3 bills.
350 there now.
Here.
3 bills.
You know?
Left me with $700.
The way I do that. So
Listen me now. Listen me
Let me
now.
tell you this. You see
Listen
how
me
you
now.
see how your shotty bread?
Listen me.
Yeah, you
Left
listen
me with
when I tell you. Me a go
$700.
tell you
See how we? Me I go buy
No, me not eat.
4
Still
egg,
no.
No, no. Me a go tell you
salt,
what you do, shotty.
black pepper,
see
and half stick of butter.
You could have got 20 stick of butter. you see how your shotty bread? You got a shotty with it. See out there. Now, we no want no shotty bread
Yeah,
on
me.
the channel.
You know, say,
Flour or
wait.
rice or
You have to
something.
be
No,
rice,
sir.
Yeah,
yam,
yeah.
That never
cocoa,
there in the fine
hard
print.
tough food that we are dealing.
Food, you
We
say.
no want
We
no
never say snack.
We never
No,
tell
well,
about
I know.
snack. And we never tell
I
about
want to know if we go Google it when it's
people,
done
we
and
never
find
tell
out
about
what is
no
egg
boiled
and bread.
Yeah, content boy, you're going to give Rasta scrambled egg
Or breakfast.
and about breakfast. And then you're going to tell me about say, anything we can drink that cheese style.
But a food, you know say?
So
A
fire
food.
come out of pot of fiddly.
Yeah.
Ready.
Fire come out of the pot.
Steam, not fire.
Fire come out of
Yeah,
the pot.
look at the thing, guy. Come look in the pot. Come touch it.
Watch
Yo.
it now. Watch your style. Watch your style.
Oh, Rasta, smell flavors already, you know.
Watch your style.
Style can't spoil.
I can't spoil the Rasta deal with it.
I'll.
Fiddly.
Wow.
Wow.
Don't worry now. Nothing can
Tomato
dash out of
run
mine.
go
I don't know
Rasta.
my run go because I have to make sure Make sure the pot have a little sink in the lower part.
How him a run go so fast?
I forgive me, man. Hot oil, listen. You think of popcorn? Hot oil.
Hot oil a bun.
Man, run fire, people, watch this now.
Yeah, put the garlic in the pot.
And I garlic that is pepper.
So where pepper seed you say you burn?
Know what yourself. They're not this already.
Oh.
See that, people?
1 pound of nothing.
1 pound of chicken. Chikwa.
No.
Chico, the
Not that one there. This is the one.
Fiddly. Fiddly.
Eh?
You see me? Watch out now. Today.
Chicken.
Rasta no use no scallion, no honey, no garlic, right?
Natural.
And the flavors rise. But when you use the thing, they don't smell nothing.
A liar.
You put silence upon it that time
I
there.
smell this now when nothing.
Something goes to Rasta?
Yo,
Something
you
goes to
see-
Rasta?
You smell this now.
Something goes to
I
Rasta?
know. Yes, you smell it
You
now.
smell everything. I smell it. The curry when I put it in and it's burning. That you
Rasta.
smell the flavor. But watch me now.
How am I do this, Rasta?
Every season I put in the pot when I cooking,
You smell the aroma.
he smell the aroma blazing through his nose. And then he flip and say, Rasta, wow. I smell it from a weird distance. I say, oh, yeah, we'll catch it. I say, all I have to do is catch it on the camera.
Fiddly. Normally when Rasta.
Excuse me.
He belly full of you, my bell, John.
Where's that?
He belly full.
His belly full. That me say.
Yeah.
His belly full.
Aroma full, my belly.
Oh, big rolling, brother. Yo.
He belly full of
His belly full already. The man belly a big belly on that one. I go, yo. That me say taking the whole of ingredients. Say,
Aroma full, my belly,
I
man.
make you get in some proper one.
Yeah, what me what
Come
pot
closer.
there?
Smell it. Come closer. Oh my. You see it, people?
Chicken burning.
Nah, man, they did the thing different, man.
Wow. And this is so nice.
Hey, a little,
Oh, you man wonder,
big
Stevie,
chef like-
Stevie wonder.
what looks up? Big chef like that. Ask me, what
Look at my
is
Kimbo.
Me a like Kimbo, but I mean like Kimbo some bossy Kimbo show. What? Get your style and show you how Rasta deal in the pack, me general.
A Stevie wonder. What about him a wonder?
Wanda. I know for Wanda is
What name?
Michael Wall uncle. That is Wanda.
Oh, me never know.
Yeah, in that foreign.
One thing with you doing that, say you love call people here.
Yeah,
there.
the man the name we call the man they are elder and bigger man like we want. The man they not nothing to do with anything. And the liberty we are dealing with love, you know.
Always. But that's I tell you do, man.
And straight love. Because if me no call certain people name, nothing wrong. I don't
So
want to
Rasta,
tell you.
you and him used to eat pork?
You idiot.
I just, you know,
I don't.
You see, hey, I can't take it a little
Yeah, it never
Every time
bring
come
up pork
and challenge
argument
and the
today.
mothers are come dark up this hag pan about pork. Man. You know, keep that to yourself, man.
you know why?
Yeah.
The two people ever mix egg and goat, and ever thought we're goat.
So we have to bring up the actor.
No, I can't come
Smell the
there.
Rasta? Mr. Pimento, bury me a smell and
That's how you wicked, someone. I know Maggie season, man. Remember they use the whole of them, they make the all-purpose,
Yeah,
you know.
every season,
Here,
everything.
dry herbs, you know.
Yeah, dry herbs. But it's
And
season,
some-
yeah.
You know, smell the pimento berry.
Me not smell nothing like that, man. I tell you, you see that?
Ganja stuff.
Fragrance.
Yo,
Fragrance.
Rasta, I'm mocking my mock, you know.
No, you can't mock me.
Free kids.
Freakins.
So nice, man. You feel so Rasta?
So me ask you a question.
Are you sorry no? It's all nice?
Nothing where you cook no nice. Nothing where you cook no nice.
Me talk about the thousand series.
Anything I couldn't $500 music and cook.
It's half a nice.
Half a night. Yeah. Nothing Rasta now do.
And you do it with love.
Jesus Christ.
Today we are going to know if I love make food nice.
Alright. And that you're going to know today
we are gonna know if I
And
love.
that you're going to make him know say today no say he love me after his food. No care when me the family you just me now you no salt today. People, you no care say me no care no salt today.
Fiddly.
Just say heil.
Just the little
Listen, man.
green mints on the island, the little flavor of it.
Eh?
The seasoning
I
there.
closest this. Him a go to height and
All right.
no salt.
No salt. Today.
You see that?
Alright, today
You
I
see him a
first.
take time to the Rasta?
No,
This is the day.
this is the day when I'm not no Rasta. Oh God, really flavor,
This
man.
done now no season already, you know. Rasta got drown this.
See one of the nutmeg leaf dropping out there, like it a try to save him.
Rasta got drown this and now and it done now no season, people.
Nah, nothing.
Alright, throw more, man.
You can't. Yeah, right, yes,
Half
eh?
alive?
Show more, man.
Yeah.
Right, people.
I remember you still have to go put in more for put in the rice, you know.
That's how you believe.
A same thing.
Same thing.
Think?
You can't cut the clip now. Because the pot cover up.
All
Nothing
right.
now go on and now.
That is it.
That is it, people.
Rain is up on us, brother.
Rain is up on us all, brother. You know, so all time is
So you like, yeah, the prayer?
yeah, I was praying a while ago
Yeah,
to the
the fret for
Almighty.
the flavor.
I fret him, I fret, man.
Father God, we give thanks and praise for the day today. For you just
Rasta.
bless us. All
The
the
food
while.
ready, you know? Yeah, prayer.
All the while you bless us when we're doing this thing over here. So God, more strength and love.
Fiddly.
Amen.
Fiddly, I fret him, I fret him.
I know enough fretration.
I say, man.
Watch me now, General.
Worrying.
Worry? Why you live and worry, Squidly?
When you can pray.
When you can pray. I
it,
now
just
worry.
pray.
I have got cut back rice bag now for wash rice. Cause I now worry.
Yeah.
No time at all.
Okay. I cook and eat.
So still
God
a
a guide.
thing, Rasta.
Yeah, the food meat.
Eh?
Food.
Yeah, Rasta. I see him so me hear Styles the other day when me I watch the video, him a talk about say yo, you know, he eat fish and thing. Rasta. You see one of them were confused. Fish. And them, you have to worry about now. Cause you see if you don't actually know what is fish,
Yeah.
you are gonna eat the, you see me? You have to know what is fish and what is not fish, you know. Cause me know so when I look up fish
Yeah.
in a dictionary. Me not see nothing when my female partner have. So how you
You see, in the vlog, you hear my fish have pepper on it. Whatever I try to tell you.
What me I tell you say? The fish have pepper.
You want to hear that?
Oh, man, that was a
John, your father, God, thank you.
Blessings.
Oh, about a couple months old, we not get none of this, though.
Oh God, man.
full of baklava.
And every minute they lock off the water pan with, so me kinda glad for this.
Yeah, cause the water go every day, you know.
Enough for when we don't get none. That's good.
Also nasty, man, you know, like beer, then glad the water God, you
Oh
know.
God, man.
Nah, feel bad that
Have
beer,
a reason for no beard.
And when rain fall and fret.
You Rasta?
Talk about them coldest, then cloak up.
Yeah,
You
nah,
have to
beer.
beard every day when that rain. Look, your whole was a night me come.
Rain or shine.
Me
As
beard.
you wake up, you beer.
As you
Evening,
wake
you
up,
have to
you beer.
beer again. I remember when people sleep in the rasta, you sweat hard, you know.
Remember saying no?
Oh Rasta, watch out, man. I pause the video and you gotta take up the shots here for the line. Yeah.
A water
Hurry up,
keep
yeah,
it
man, I make you put it. Deal with this.
Yeah, man, watch it.
Yeah.
Wobbling.
Cause we don't want your thing that wet up, you know.
Come flag him.
No, me no want thing get no beat.
I might shot.
When I hear you, I get licked for this.
Yeah, I wash it this morning.
You see that, people?
Yeah.
Just water.
Just water. Drinking you gotta get.
I don't hide the pot,
You
right?
know hide the pot.
It's a big kingfisher.
Just agua. Just by the looks of these people, we can tell there's no flavor.
Alright, people. We balling on the challenge. So if one just looks at it, you gotta know flavor. I assume the flavor go in there now.
Yeah.
I
You
go
say
and
Martel?
show the flavor.
Martel look like you have doubts.
Flavor go in there. I don't want no more curry.
Yo, man, you come with more power with us, huh?
I need just the little of my seasoning.
No more.
There's little of my Maggi seasoning.
Salt.
And this is my ingredient, last ingredient.
Yeah, can put in all of that, man. The all purpose.
That one I don't know.
Yeah.
I've never in night family.
So, I say, I have to think about your fried table.
Nah, no butter. So don't tell me.
So the pepper, you know, put the pepper in it.
No, I'm not put the seed in there.
You never, what kind of seed is that when I put
Pepper seed.
Oh.
Now try the rest of Maggi, because right now, they say, we don't use no salt today, but we know some Maggi have a little salt in it. All of female
Maggi full of flavor, man.
full of flavor. So I say, a beer flavor of Maggi Rasta use today. Watch this.
So Rasta,
Yeah.
yes, Maggi alone could have make you cook and half use no skin or nothing.
Yeah, Maggi.
Yeah, man, it good
Man,
old
that's
Maggi.
even could do
Good.
that.
No season couldn't let me do that. Don't go Maggi. So it's a Maggi right now. Look at now. See the all purpose, yeah?
And the chicken.
And the chicken. So you know now go do? Now give me a big promotion.
Hello, Maggi.
That is it.
You have to give me a big promotion.
Maggi.
Maggi.
Yeah.
Straight. I see season now.
Yeah.
Turn up.
Yeah, man.
Look there, people.
Look how Maggi make him a flip.
Look how much, no, look how much, you're a big man. Look how much, come on. Look how much make fat a bubble. Lord God, it does a bubble and in a seek no trouble. Look for Rasta pot, pan the fire does a bubble. Look there, all type of bubble in it from Maggi. Eh? No trouble, Maggi now see it, you know. See, you know, that tell I straight love Maggi give it.
Oh.
And me have a love already.
We
Reverse.
say just tell Maggi, I think you something.
All right, yeah, on the phone sound immediately
Never
for
tell
that.
a lie. Okay, no.
Look at now, Maggi. Look
Let's
at
see if you see skin on
Maggi,
time
look
now.
at the thing where we are talking now. Watch it now. What the flavor you give it? Woo!
Yeah.
You hear it, Maggie?
I told you that series
I told
this.
you that.
And I Maggie. I start a Rasta show.
Today.
Yeah, it's
Up
here,
and
baby.
round.
I hate see him today, but
You
cause
see
Rasta
me?
no get
You
put in
never-
our own a
This
season.
year-
Natural.
Yeah, what my fruit now. I'm going to have like a salt.
Where?
Yeah, and
And what we buy, we have to use.
But them say, what them buy, we gotta use on the channel. But me sure them say, what they buy, me I use and make it
Maggie.
spicy. And Maggie, me say today.
Oh.
Straight. Me use all my natural season that it a hot.
So I never buy it. So I never buy it.
If money can't go there, $1,000 can reach there.
Alright, so
hold
yeah,
on.
so
Watch
back in
me
the
now.
days, back in
You
the
see
days.
the other one,
Listen
hold
me
on,
now,
never should
listen
deep
me
now.
now.
Hold on.
Yeah, nah,
You
listen,
for wait
listen
till me
now.
talk.
I'm here to talk now.
No, you can't
Back
talk
in
till the cook
No,
done
can
talk.
I say Maggie?
You have to wait till the cook done talk. Watch me now. You see me now? Me never wear no hat. You alone have a hat today. And me now put my hat where me can't reach, so me work the
Yeah. Anyway, Pop, if I half a cheat left me.
I dare say it done, me brother.
Ah.
Back in the days,
Yeah.
before Maggie and anything there. No, ground season when you used to do straight.
Grung season,
Yeah,
natural grung season.
Yeah.
Like
Earthly season.
yeah.
scallion.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Pepper,
So why?
time. But I what $1,000 could have buy
That's why I
today.
say you could have leave out the
$1,000
I
could
ain't
have.
leave out the Maggie. I ain't leave out
No,
the
that's not the Maggie.
No, watch out, Rasta
Maggie.
telling say you don't have to do it. Remember say you do one of them pot there already, you know.
Yeah.
We never use no Maggie.
Yeah, natural.
So you remember that pot there, man?
Natural.
You don't remember it.
Me.
You don't remember it.
Well, I
But
remember.
one of that
Well,
man
I know.
did my tour.
Yeah.
You can't forget nothing, everything retained in here, so.
Yeah,
Remember, so we come out with a natural party, that's a normal season. Pepper,
yeah.
scallion,
Pimento, black
Lime.
pepper.
pimenta,
So you know,
ginger.
you're fiddly saying no one of them food there. You
Why?
want you say, well, Maggie for bean chicken.
Well,
I eat me I get today.
there's nothing for a man want to say you cannot done for him.
But the natural one is bad still.
The natural season are the best. Up to the time. Nothing beat natural season.
And that's why I tell you that you should do today.
But, yo, you see, yo? Me tell you, say, look $1,000 with a blow out, so. Me know what you can do. $1,000 can't buy gas in Jamaica again in the people.
Rasta,
food
I'm
you
a
talk
move,
about.
But
sir.
I tell you where you can buy gas. The gas and the
Gas
cooking.
not the thing for food.
You can't cook, you can't buy gas to cook your food.
Oh.
That me I make sure
No,
tell
the
you.
gas are straight outdoors.
And $1,000 can't buy $1,000 can't buy coal for cooking food.
Ah, see how funny if I stick on my place, never need
I would me use, man.
Why?
Wood fire. Straight wood fire, Rasta say. Bro, keep there. Keep there, people.
Chop rice.
Keep there, people.
You mean father African?
All in one. No father African.
Chop rice.
Over here in Africa, over
Yeah,
here.
Africa, but no, I no chop rice. Me not chop rice over here. Me say this a boy ever come with one same thing to come pile up the people to them.
So this is not chop rice.
No, it can't be chopped.
What is chop rice?
China thing
You
this.
think I Chinese, you know, cutlass in night a chop? I not bill.
You look good, see Rasta.
It have to look good and taste good.
We don't know where it tastes it. We get to that soon.
Yes,
We go no.
You know? The flavor alone make you can taste it.
Yo, we get to it that soon.
Yeah, get to it soon.
Alright.
Yeah, soon and later will be there. Soon and later will be there and you will devour it properly in a you. You devour it in a uni system when you come with this morning week and I tell you about your one can eat half that.
See if you Rasta, if you alone could deal with that.
Alright? Watch me now, Squidly. You know, so we are game?
Yeah, we are testing him today.
We are testing today.
Alright, 2 with 5 grand.
No!
No, watch out now.
no money
Listen.
never involved.
That's listen me now.
No
Listen
money
me.
never
Hold on now.
involved, people.
Listen me.
Yeah,
It's $1,000 series we are dealing.
yeah,
3 are we there?
yeah.
If you never have a whole pot, 3 are we me and Rasta give you $3,000.
What me I'll get it from Fiji?
Don't worry yourself. Him have to name it half door Rasta. Right? If you eat half all of this today,
Yeah, the whole
We-
pot.
Yeah. 2 are we give me $3,000.
Yes, yeah, man.
listen.
Yes, that ball, no. Yes, that ball. Say that going to do this to the people. You
We
can't
finish
get
the
what one.
1,000 series.
Eh?
And then we are going to have a contest.
Mhm.
Every man eat 1 pound of rice with whichever meat kind cook.
How will that a breeze?
A small thing that man.
Alright.
I first man.
Alright.
Rasta, you see for that day there?
Yeah.
We have to go bring a tripod. Call in at night. We left him over here and I'm filming.
Yo, you see him? Yo,
Yeah.
I first man a boss.
Alright, well, let's see.
Me cook 3 flour and then eat quarter.
So,
Yeah.
boss.
Mash up.
You know what I mean? The fish say me no boss.
What you know?
Watch out with that. Talk with me here.
Wait till we do the rice contest.
Then the rice contest today.
No, this is $1,000 series.
I bring a big soup pot, man. Pound of rice to a man.
Pound of rice to a man.
Yeah, me.
But you want no cheap pot.
3 pound. No, we have to cook the
No,
3
sir.
pound of rice
You
and
know
share
why
it
you want the
equally.
cheap
I
pot
just.
different? You no go different share.
No, man, we just share it equally. If a
Equal share.
3 spoon in our plate or however, but we are bring the big pot out and 3 pound of rice are cooking it.
One will leave for me.
Yeah, man.
Set up the decks.
Now what you say?
Around this.
Martel I go up first.
Martin. You bring up it enough.
I'm a go first, man. Yeah.
Ball out already.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you go on?
Yeah.
We are stuck around that.
Rasta, and him a go first. Rasta, it sound like him better than we on the food.
Yeah, win.
Me a winner, you a lose. You a lose. What me say am I go do?
Lose.
Right, me general. What am I go do?
Oh.
Lose. Cause I'm going to say, yo, me full up the unit 16 get weak.
Boss.
My one not bossing. My one taking in more.
Eh?
Why?
Cut. You see nice. Oh man, this one dry out, man.
Let me sample this thing.
Test it.
Sample this thing.
See if it gummy.
I want to say I give big man. Fiddly, tell the truth though. You can't man give me a man.
Jesus, we can count the green and rice them. That can test. What? Oh man, tell her shake some.
When I shake it. One laugh.
You want to dry out look more?
No, sir.
Or it can come off. Alright, put on that thing there, under it, the shield under it, Rasta.
No, what you say about no shield?
See it there, man? You that now? Yeah. That's your bush, no?
Eh?
That's your bush, no?
What kind of bush you for that shit? This a bush,
Yeah.
Banana trash is in you, banana bark, I had destroy it today to take off the pattern. Think how they want to make it.
I think you did that, you say.
The food done cook.
Long time. You think how they want to make fire when pot cover bun when me have to wheel like this and go around, so?
People ain't like that little clip there, see?
Yeah, that they like the now. I've seen no more. Not today. So me I use the natural thing. Everything
Yeah.
me I deal with, natural. See there?
Alright.
So Maggie sees it natural?
Then
I mean, good old Maggie. And natural herbs and dry out and make this man. Nothing beat Maggie.
This is natural bananas this towel used to the people. So you pretty?
Yeah, I meal more and see if it pretty. And see
You
if
want
it
to see if you meal pretty?
and see if it edible.
Edible?
Yeah.
It eatable.
You are gonna eat it.
Why?
Watch this. See that people?
Get dumb Rasta and get
Dumb.
dumb. What you mean? Get
Dumb.
dumb.
Yo, in tongue, the right between him teeth and Rasta. Watch it. You can't say nothing more to Rasta. Yo, feel and second.
Yeah.
Put on the fist on the camera.
Oh God,
see it,
man, never see it,
Feel,
man.
Really, boy long to one now.
See it there?
Visual presentation.
Real.
Me I give him a several car, you don't know. Lacquer.
Rasta, look like you cheat, you know.
We like how?
Well, that green something I reach now.
Ah man, I pepper that man.
Come on.
I pepper that man.
Cheat. Oh yo, me for cheat and I in front of me and do everything. Don't be hide and do it.
If I wonder where you go pop Skelly and I put it in pot now, you know. That him I wonder, you know,
Walk on
Rasta.
high ground. You must walk on high ground. I go on high grass piece, I'm going to go up to that scale. But see, I in front of just one eye pop.
Yeah.
So we're going to share now.
Yeah, that is it.
See if you deserve
What?
2,
Me no clap too.
a 8,
I know
a
here.
10.
You're a hater. Oh, man. Love it.
Only thing I'm glad still, Argentina now get this a trophy I go up with.
That's your glad for?
Yeah, babe.
So I'm glad you for. Piece of pepper left as if this is a taste.
Oh, Rasta.
Try out that. Try out that.
What am I going with?
But if not, no taste.
Eh.
A piece of pepper left. I'm glad for that.
Chano.
You know what you say? Do not. I just say, never you live and fret, you know.
Mad?
Just
Where
leave
fret
that.
there?
Eh?
Where fret there?
Guitar and banja.
Okay.
The thing is still, you get your toes out there, we are ready.
So if you want to fret part.
Yeah, that's my fret
Why
part,
want a
man.
4 course me Rasta?
4
You see,
Alright.
we have to go put all, what you think we have to put all?
4 course or full course?
Four.
Yeah. Alright.
Full 4. What you
Full.
think?
We want to have 4
A
course.
four
A
course,
dribbler.
Dribbler,
Make
boy,
we see where female are coming.
So when you put this in on the chest plate and sit down on the table, so, knife and fork.
Oh, God.
What? You say knife
Knife
and fork.
and
You
fork.
do that, so make sure you put it up on the side. That's so my table.
But the knife and the fork have to buy out a thousand, that, you know?
Exactly. Everything.
So this is buy out 1,000.
Me don't know.
Oh, no. Alright,
You
rinse this
know you
again.
produce that panic.
I fret them, I fret again, you know.
Fret, that I fret them. How can I fret them then? How look how fret them
Oh,
out?
yes,
So?
sir.
We are one party and live.
I get to this now.
Make it turn out then.
Mm-mm.
You're going to get some of that in the way.
Yeah, Rasta.
Like fiddle and like, I share them little first and swear go and can't enough though fiddly.
It's alright, man.
Ah, I mean alone this bad man.
Martel, just easy. You see that one the way I share first?
Yeah.
Me not think I can finish it, not even that.
Hmm? You feel so?
You can't finish that.
Alright.
How much flour you most flour you ever eat?
Me?
About 2.
120 it is.
You lie, you know? Yo! Yo! Look at you them people.
Rasta! Rasta, what is that?
Yo!
How much flour you say eat, Rasta?
20!
How is that?
Lie, so. Yo!
You Rasta? With these. Yeah.
Yo!
Please,
Huh?
you gave it 1 month left.
You may tell you say about 2 at most. You ever eat.
The man's skin is a shit.
Man
And
say-
your skill out here.
Rumpel skilling stand.
Rumpel skilling skill.
120 with these me I tell you Rasta. I still could have brush out
You
4
see, that's
more
what-
if it was available.
Big Mike bad on you. And you still have to give letter after some of you.
Hey, Big Mike, bad still, huh?
I will
Big
tell
man,
you.
yeah, I'm
Cause
back.
you got me, man, about... I was bridging, man. A cheese stomach and venom, man.
It's tough still.
Bad, man. Bad.
The man is so brother and tree, man.
Oh, God, man. See what I got on, people?
You know, you when the man knock you, the go. See that? You see him? See me all the way? You Big Mike. You got to ask this.
Guts.
Guts to take
In
it.
these times.
To take in this in
Rasta.
these times. The BS in this and I can say. It's so easy. Look how easy. And look what I look. You're the smallest food chair out of the time, you know.
You know how we trying to feed one already, no?
The smallest one chair out, you know. And I'm them saying one kind of whole of this.
People, just guess which one of them food they about tell what. You think easy?
People just have to cut my one and go on.
Rasta, you have to give me a review to this.
Right,
Oh, Rasta pray a long
me
time,
pray
and that's
long
what, me
time
tell you
and
that,
I
that's why Rasta pray for them time there, you know.
Everything in perfect order. And now, Father God, as I go to devour this food in my mouth, give thanks and praise. Amen.
Alright. You have to give me a review though, because you don't know a different setting, so you have to really tell me how it tastes to you based on what you
Right
use.
now, you not get different from how I cook all the way.
Yeah?
No.
So you can stop your season altogether then?
Then season.
So
Madness, you tell me.
That means your food are nice all the way.
That means, Martin, what you said then? What you have said then?
What is that food?
That means that the nice then?
That the food?
Yeah.
I tell you we go on.
No wrong.
Rasta, what you tell me, say?
Hmm?
What you tell me and that's
pepper.
The
what?
food?
Yeah.
Pepper my jaffa, says you
I
want
mean,
more
yeah.
pepper.
Alright.
Like a flavor?
No, for your
No,
food, we don't cook it nothing.
No,
No.
for this.
Up and running.
Yeah?
This we are dealing with, man. For
Sorry,
this.
that me I tell you, for
Yeah.
your food, they don't cook it nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that honest?
You talk go on, man. You can get one about 8.5 today for this. Yeah.
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 So come like you prefer them meal then?
Yeah?
You prefer
Yeah,
them
so-
meal?
so-
So Rasta, why you not get so much when you cook the goat?
That's why I don't know where you go and Rasta come like, we have to start give him nothing for cook with.
Yeah, Rasta, what am I going with?
That the ginger finger work out.
Oh, God, man.
Your next one too. With it. Oh, you come up with it today.
It's nice still fiddly.
Let me tell you something.
I ain't finger, I flavor then, there,
Yeah,
man.
no. Respect it. Nice.
People.
You have to do it with love.
Me tell the people them say, if you don't have love to do nothing, you cannot work.
Cannot
If
work.
You cannot work. If your mind don't set to what you're doing,
Fiddly.
you do
You
nonsense.
see if you put in rest of pepper, yeah? You will get to a 9.
Oh.
100, you should have said, man. About 9. You look, you see me have on a 9 here. A 10
Oh.
me get.
Yeah, man.
Active.
Yeah, man. This better than most food.
Is that alright?
Yeah,
Tell the
but
people them.
as I say, people, I make you know, I give them another shout out. Big up to Maggie, because them save the day. I them save the day for him today. We have to be truthful. Different from the love where you say I prepare this with Rasta. If I never for Maggie, man.
If me never have no Maggie.
I laugh off here
You
today.
tell yourself. You say me never have no Maggie.
I'm Maggie safe.
Listen me now.
Big up to Maggie.
Me I tell you, Maggie, me big you up. You say me never have you. You say me natural ground season. Me kill you with it.
Oh, yeah, man. For natural ground. But big up to Maggie.
Alright.
Martel love this.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. One of the best thing going.
Yo, me say, you see your Martel? You know easy, you know?
Right.
Yo, the man no easy, you know, Rasta.
Still enough.
Yo.
Alright, don't ever cut it. Just take up your food and
I'll
kill it.
cut it, man.
No man. Just take up your meal. You're gonna feel like
I'll
drug.
go test it.
Yeah.
And see where they really are going with today.
If it was capping.
Rasta, come in. Where you gone?
No, man, we don't.
Where you man run go?
Forward bad man, he love run so.
Come in, I could go close to him.
Yeah.
You don't understand where you man run go. Come in, man.
You there, man?
See what I'm going on.
You not be careful. I want to go sit down and eat my work properly.
Rice grain, them no look plain, you see me look like flavor stick on them.
So you step with the on them.
Yellow and black.
Lie tell.
No, me
No
a
black
talk
line
about...
there.
That's easy,
No black line there.
Why am I bringing off
I
Rasta?
insult him.
Where in there? Where 40 years?
Wait now, man.
Sure.
Wait, huh? Test again. Now test again. Alright, remember say me know what going on today, you see me?
One
If you a
pound.
low budget meal, nah, I go run him, man. I give him a 10 out of 10 for a low budget meal. No, nothing wrong with
Fiddly.
it at all.
You know why I mean you could give him a 10 out of 10?
Why not? Lack of pepper?
No, not like a
Or
pepper.
that?
Certain
Or he
ingredients.
should have do better.
Yeah, he could have spent the money more wisely.
Okay.
Yeah,
Based for Jamaica hard, you could have spent the money a little
So
better.
Jamaica art people,
No.
my money couldn't
You
check no
coulda.
more than do that.
You could have spent
So
better.
people,
You could have.
me done. Me talk it short,
You could have, you know.
me
But
coulda.
You could have.
With
But
what?
Me I tell you, say, it's alright. And now I go run him. I
But
give him
the,
10 out of
but
10.
the,
You could have, though.
the also could have
Could
spent better,
a
though.
little bit wiser to accommodate some of the earthly stages of them. But you don't know.
Yeah.
Me
That's where it
spend
come
wisely
down.
still. Because if I never spend it wisely,
Still work out well.
Now work out and it's so nice.
Know
You see
yourself.
all the big back and all the way back.
Rasta.
Eh?
Don't worry yourself. Two more series
Two
there.
flag left off of this. With
the man tell her come with.
Thousand.
Overtime next, quickly.
You.
No.
Who is that rather next, Rasta?
What's that now? Hear me now.
Videographer.
Listen me now, no? You see videographer?
Go last.
No, it can't be last.
Em have to go
He
next,
must be second.
next in line.
Yeah, that's why he must be second. He must get year one when you are going to do in last. You Martel. Right. Remember me tell you that. You remember, you know? He must get that one there.
Ah, for
Up
four-
and running.
Remember, I'm
Straight.
tell you, a 4-course meal and a 1 food, you know?
No,
A 4 different
meal,
plates.
no, 1 course meal me get today, you know. And you can say I got to do a 4-course meal with total and me happy to see that.
Alright.
Yeah. Me want to see where you coming. This is when I talk about egg and bread and scrambled.
No, we not
Can't
eat egg.
work.
We not eat egg.
No, we can't work on it. We not
You can
drive.
get it boiled, poached, scrambled, or fried.
I don't want it nowhere.
Yeah.
Nowhere.
So you say Rasta, next series, right?
Next series
Alright.
is, I know, might be few months after you.
A
can-
film, a
Listen me now,
fiddly
no.
one, man.
It can be the flag before or out we got to do it.
Oh.
So you can't say.
I'll complete the series
We have
first.
to come with the flag.
You feel so fiddly?
Yeah.
What base up how we are going after that, cause we have a collab.
We have a color.
Pending.
Yeah, for deal.
Base up how
So we have
first
to
we say we wanna
yeah.
reach out.
Yeah, so we have to reach out
We
to
know
that.
if- But
That's
I
the
really
people
want to
them.
complete the series first.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
get
the
that
people
out
them
right
can
away.
reach out to it. I know say boy, we subscribe and subscribe. I know say boy.
Yo, I mean, I use a Maggie for my thing.
What you
there,
have
you
use?
know. Yeah?
You see all you have to use what we using it. If you don't use what we using it, you're not
And
troubling.
you have to buy him food up in the hills.
And have to
You
buy
cannot
food.
buy it
Then
downtown.
he can't, no, if tell him I go get curry. No curry can go in there, this is a curry. Oh, don't talk.
Alright.
Up and running. One Martel TV. Look for it, people. Up.